Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use Google Translate on WhatsApp. To do this, you just need to install the Google Translate app and of course WhatsApp on your phone. And this method works only for Android phones. For iPhones, you can just in a classic way copy and paste your messages from WhatsApp and translate them on Google Translate. So to do this, you just need to go to the Google Translate app, open it, and after that go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click on settings. And after that, go to the first option, tap to translate, open it, and activate this option and also the show floating icon and auto translate copied text options. So after that, you just need to go to your WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp, and for example, I've sent myself two messages, one with Spanish and the other with Arabic, and I will translate them to English without getting out from my WhatsApp conversation. So for example, I will translate the Arabic message. I will long press on it, and after that go and click on the three dots on the top right of the screen and click on copy. And after that, open my Google Translate, or click on the Google Translate icon. And as you can see, it translated, it detected the language and also it translated my message. Also, I will repeat it with the Spanish message. Long press on it, click on the three dots and click on copy. After that, click on the Google Translate icon. And as you can see, it translated also this message. And like that, you can use Google Translate on WhatsApp directly and without the need to go between the two apps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.